Good morning, students. This is class 6, Civics chapter 2, Diversity and Discrimination. We already learned about the diversity and the discrimination also, right? Before that, we know about so many stories like Samir 1 and Samir 2. After that, we know about the discrimination between the Muslim community. After that, we know about the story of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Right now, today we are going to learn about the striving for equality. What is the striving for equality? Means after the independence, we fight for equality in our country people, right? Like the struggle for freedom from British rule also included within the struggle of a large groups of people. Not only fought against the British but also fought to be treated more equally. Right? Before that, from the stories we know about the struggle of the people, those who are facing the untouchability. Dalits, women, tribals, and peasants fought against the inequality they experienced in their lives. Means people are facing so many problems in their daily life. They cannot take water from the same well, same hand pump, right? They cannot touch the things. They cannot walk together, sit together. So many things are happening. After the Bhimrao Ambedkar's story, we know how much discrimination happened in that time in our country. Like he had to sit alone in the class. He cannot touch anyone in the class. He cannot drink water from the same pot by the other students drink in that time. So people are continuously striving for the equality. So as pointed earlier, many Dalits organized themselves to gain entry into the temples, because in that time they cannot enter in any temples. Themselves to gain entry to temples, women demand that they should have as such a right education as men did. Like already we read about the story of Muslim community that happens in many communities also. Girls are not allowed to go to school, or they are going only for few years to the school, right? Peasants and the tribes fought for release themselves from the grasp of the moneylender. Means moneylenders sucking them by the money. They are taking too much of revenue or high interest because they are not having enough money for the family. So they are taking money from the moneylenders, and they are taking high interest from them. When India became a nation in 1947, our leaders too are concerned about the different kinds of inequalities that exist. When our leaders made the constitution for the India, they have literally concerned about the untouchability, inequality that is continuously exist in our country. Those who wrote the Constitution of India, a document that laid out the rule by which the nation would function, were aware of the ways in which as a crime and has been legally abolished by law. Means our leaders are very intelligent, they know this is continuously happening in our country, so they make a law that by that they want to abolish this, that untouchability should remove from our country. People are free to choose their kind of work. Means it is not necessary that the Brahmins only do the worship and the Dalits only do the cleaning. They people are free to choose their kind of work. Whatever we want, we can do. Government jobs are also open for the people. Every person can choose their own government job also. In addition, the constitution also placed responsibility on the government to take specified steps to release this right to equality for poor and other such marginal community. Means all the rules are equal for each and every community, right? So it is mentioned in our constitution also that everyone can apply for the government job, everyone can equal by the law. The writers of the constitution also said that respect for diversity was a significant element in ensuring equality. Means by the constitution every person is equal. They felt that people must have freedom to follow their religion, speak their language. Means in that way we cannot discrimination to anyone. Means whatever language we want we can speak, whatever religion we can follow that, celebrate their festivals. Means it doesn't mean कि if the Hindu is following Diwali, then a Hindu can follow the Eid also. Means any person can celebrate any festival or express themselves freely. Means we are free. Everyone is free in this country to celebrate any festival and we can follow any custom. Right? They said that no one language, religion, festival should become compulsory because we are living in the diverse country. So it is important to make a law that every single person respect to the other religions also. We are free to follow any religion, but we have to respect other religions also. Means it doesn't mean if I am a Muslim that it is necessary that I have to respect Hindu, Christian, everyone. Right? We cannot say that religion is not good, the person are not good. Everyone is equal and we have to respect each other. They said that government must treat all religions equally. What happened if this become not a rule or this become not a law by the government? Then nobody will follow that, right? Discrimination had been, therefore India become a secular country where people of different religions and faiths have discrimination had been practiced in our society, and how people had struggled against this. That we already talked about that in our country. Too much discrimination in that time. Many leaders of these struggles, such as Dr. Ambedkar, had also fought for the rights of Dalits. We had already read the story about the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. So these leaders set out a vision and the goal in the constitution to ensure that all the people of India were considered equal. Means they mention in the constitution, in the preamble, in the first page of the constitution, it is mentioned that every citizen of the India is equal, right? The equality of all persons is seen as a key value that unites us all as Indians. Means in this way we can say nobody is Hindu, nobody is Muslim, nobody is Christian, nobody is Punjabi. We can say we all are Indians. That our constitution taught to every citizen of India. Everyone has equal right and opportunity. Means everyone get the opportunity. Same as you can do any business, you can do any job, you can apply for any of the government job, right? Untouchability is seen the freedom to practice as follow their religions without any fear of discrimination. Means untouchability we can see in that time continuously, we can see everywhere in our country their religions without any fear of discrimination. Now nobody can say that this or that person is untouchable, because now law is saying every person is equal without any fear of discrimination. Now they can live in this country without any fear. Whatever they want, they can choose their business, they can do their job, anything. This is seen as an important element of our unity, that we all live together and respect one another. Mean by the constitution we know about every person is equal, so no discrimination should be here. Though these ideas are inserted in our constitution, these all things are written in our constitution. This chapter pointed out the inequalities exist even today. Though we can say still it is practiced in our countries, some villages or somewhere, right? Everything is mentioned in constitution. Still in villages we can see this untouchability, inequality. Every village still it is practiced. This chapter pointed out inequalities exist even today. Equality is a value that we have to keep striving for, and not something which will happen automatically. What do you think? Can God throw the equality in our country? No. Nobody can bring. Only we people. When we people have a strong decision that we can throw out untouchability, inequality from our country, then it will happen. People's struggle and positive action means always think positive. People come at our home, we are giving them water for drinking in the different glasses. We give them tea in the different cups. That is throw from our mind that he is untouchable, he is equal, equal, right? When we think about this, that or he or she is like us, like human being, in that time only we perform as Indian. We follow our constitution without thinking, without mind mapping. We have to think from our mind and set up our mind like this: every person is equal, every person is like me, right? In that time we can say We all are Indians. We all are brothers and sisters. That our preamble is saying to us. It is mentioned in our Constitution first page. Means by the government are necessary to make this as really for all Indians. Our government also doing so many things for this, but still it will take time to make everyone equal. Thank you. Thank you and have a nice day.